Hey y'all, hey, I am back with another video, and today you guys, it is a nail called Day. Influencer sent me a small little gift. Well, it's not small because in my opinion this is a big gift. They sent me the Lilly Lashes VoxBox, you guys, and I was so excited when I got the email that said that I was going to be receiving this, because y'all know Lilly Lashes is some good lashes. They are probably top of the line good. You know, a lot of beauty gurus who are big in the beauty industry do use Lilly Lashes, and some of them swear by Lilly Lashes. So I was excited to receive this VoxBox, and upon opening it, this is what I saw, you guys. I went ahead and cut the box open so it wouldn't be too big of a fuss in order to get them out. And so of course it comes with a little information card, and it comes with this beautiful little lady on the back. She's gorgeous, and it tells you the lashes that you received, and you received the Luxury Synthetic Light and Allure, and the Luxury Synthetic Light and Envy. So I'm going to pull the lashes out, and this is Envy. This is Envy. And this is Allure. And y'all, when I say I can't wait to dive into these and go ahead and use them, I absolutely mean I cannot wait to dive in and get my use out of them. Now, it says on the box that you could get up to 15 wears, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I tend to take, and this is not to toot my own horn, but toot, I tend to take very good care of my lashes. Like, I have a pair of lashes that I don't know if this is safe or not, but a pair of lashes that I bought last year that I'm still using. Matter of fact, I have them right here on my desk. I bought these lashes from the beauty supply store last year, and I think I have a couple of videos on my channel where I am wearing these lashes. It's either on my channel right now or it's unlisted, but I have been wearing these lashes since last year, you guys. Since last year, 2021, I was wearing these lashes. So I take fairly good care of my lashes, so I'm pretty sure I can get more than 15 wears out of these lashes. And these look so natural, like they look so natural and soft. Now, on first glance, you could think that they probably look the same, but you will see that Allure is a little bit more wispy than Envy is. So I know that I'm gonna get more than 15 wears out of it. And then I saw this little black thing, and I was like, what is this? And then I read the back of it, and it's a mini black adhesive. Now, y'all, I'm gonna be honest with you, I have not used black adhesive in a minute. Now, I don't know exactly when, but it's been a minute. But this is what the adhesive looks like, and y'all know I'm a smell type of person, so let me smell it. Don't really have a smell to it, but it is like a little brush that the adhesive comes on. So I will be using this for these lashes just to see what it's like, just to see what it's about. But y'all, I cannot express how excited I am to be receiving these lashes, because like I said, Lilly Lashes is a very, very popular brand, but sis was not gonna spend $20. I think it's $20. I think they're $20. Sis was not gonna spend $20 on a pair of lashes when I could go to the beauty supply store and get about 5 of these for $20. I'm just saying, I'm very frugal. I'm very frugal. So I'm really excited about trying these out, and I want to thank Influencer for sending me this VoxBox, y'all. I love Influencer because not only are you able to review products and tell others about the products, so it could probably help them in their buying decisions, but you also get free stuff. They send you complimentary items, and I've gotten so many Vox boxes in the past. I love it. I love it. So if you guys have not signed up for Influencer, y'all, they did not tell me to say this. This is not a sponsored segment for them. This is just my thoughts, my opinion. But I think that you guys should go on to Influencer, get a account, and start reviewing stuff. You guys start helping the other ladies and men that are on the website of Influencer, because it's not just about makeup. They also send you things like, I've received drinks, I've received vitamins, I've received a plethora of things, because they have a lot of things on their website that you can review and just give your honest opinion on. So definitely sign up for Influencer and check them out. I want to thank you guys for coming through and checking out my video. Y'all, I am wearing my natural hair for a second. Don't worry, some wigs are gonna be coming on my head again. Just stay tuned for it. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for coming through, taking the time out your day or night to watch my video. As always, make sure that you guys subscribe, like, and comment. And I will see y'all in the next video. Okay? Okay. Peace.